Okay, there we go. So I've put paragraph tags around each piece of text. I'm going to save this and view it. There we go. Now each one's gone to a separate line with a slight space between them. But all the text is the same size at the moment. We can't tell what the difference is between headings, etc. So let's sort that out. Instead of using the paragraph tag here, I'm going to use the heading 1 tag. Okay, this tells it that it's the biggest, the most important heading, heading 1. I'm also going to use heading 2 tag on this one. And on Contact Us, I'm going to use the heading 3 tag. Alright, let's save and view this again. There we go. So we've got heading 1 here, heading 2, and heading 3 on Contact Us. Starting to look better already. Okay. The next thing to do is to insert an image. Underneath the green fingers heading, I want to put an image. So I'm going to insert a new paragraph and I'm going to write the code which will allow me to insert an image. So image source src equals, okay, and then we put the name of the image and the extension in speech marks, like that. Then we put the width, so the size of the image, so 320, height equals 240, close, and close the paragraph as well. Let's save that and give that a go. There we go, our image now appears. Excellent. Now let's say I wanted to insert an email link here where it says or by emailing us. Let's add some code in to do that. So here I'm going to put in a hyperlink to the email address. So ahref equals, and then you always start when you're putting a link to email address with mail to colon the address. So it's inquiries at greenfingers.net. Okay, so there's the first bit. Then you put the text that you want to actually be the link, the bit you click on after that, so the emailing us bit. Just want to make sure there's a full stop there. And then we close this by putting the end the A tag. You see we started with an A, we're ending with an A. Let's save. See if this works. Okay, there we go. So mail to, and what mail to does is if I click on this, it will open my default email application on my computer. Now you've created your first page, let's make the other two and link all the pages together. Okay, so as I said, this is actually going to be a basic website, so that means we have to have more than one page, and we also need to actually link those pages together. So to do this, I'm going to insert a list. Now, you can have different types of lists. You can have ordered lists or unordered lists. Ordered lists are usually numbered lists. Unordered lists are generally bullet points, unless you style them otherwise. So, underneath the image, I'm going to put an unordered list tag, so UL, and then li, which this will be the first item in our list. So we're going to put a list of the pages on our website, and then we're going to use the href tag again, equals, and then the name of the page we're linking to in speech marks. So index.html is going to be the home page, or is the home page. And then the link text, home, so when you click on home it will go to the home page. Close the tag, and then close the list item tag as well. Then I'm going to cheat and copy and paste this and change this to about, and about, and below that this one's going to be contact and contact. Right, we need to close the unordered list like that. Save. Let's open. There we go. Okay, we've got links to our pages. Now they won't work yet because we haven't actually created the pages. We're going to create those pages by saving some copies. So I'm going to go to File, Save As, and I'm going to call this one About, and I'm going to save another one as Contact. Okay, you see it should appear there. I'm going to make sure I've got all three of those open. Okay, so I want my About one open and my index page open, so we've got them all here. Now, About, I'm going to get rid of this text, and I'm just going to change this heading to About, and sorry I just scrolled across there, and then I'm going to save it. So I've changed this text to About, I've deleted the text below, and I'm just going to save the changes to the About page. Let's go to Contact. Okay, so I'm going to leave this contact information here, and I'm just going to delete these lines and change this heading to Contact. Save. I'm going to go back to the index page, and I'm just going to get rid of these two lines because we've got that on the contact page now, and I'm going to save that. Right, let's go to and open the index page. So let's click on About, there we go, Contact, Home, all the links work. Okay, so it's very basic, but we've created a very simple HTML page, and it hasn't taken very long. In a later tutorial I'll start looking at how to add div tags and use CSS to further style these pages.